Formula for the following: A, beryllium chloride, and B, potassium iodide. How we do this is we need to look at the crisscross rule. So for beryllium chloride, let's write out the two component elements. Beryllium is Be, and the symbol for chlorine is Cl. So we know the formula is going to be something with beryllium and chlorine in it. Just like water is H2O, two hydrogens and one oxygen. How do we know how beryllium and chlorine will go together? What you do is we'll use the crisscross rule. So look at what group beryllium is in. Beryllium is in group 2, which means it has 2 electrons to give away. If you look at chlorine, it's in group number 17, way on the other side of the periodic table. Group 17 means it can accept 1 electron, if we remember the octet rule. So if it can accept 1 electron on this side, I'm going to put the 1 there, meaning it can take 1, and the 2 under the beryllium means that it can give away 2. The crisscross rule will tell us how many of each we need. So if we do this and this, we see that we need 1 beryllium, and we need 2 chlorine. So beryllium chloride's formula is BeCl2, meaning if beryllium has 2 electrons to give away and chlorine can only accept 1, you need 2 chlorines to each take 1 of those electrons to add up to 2. So that's why we get beryllium chloride as BeCl2. Let's look at the other one, potassium iodide. Potassium symbol is K and iodine symbol is I. If we look at what group potassium's in, it is in group 1, meaning it has 1 electron to give away. So I'll put that there. Iodine is a nonmetal on the other side of the periodic table, in the same group as chlorine, group 17, so it can accept 1 electron. So it's 1 to 1 here. In this case, the crisscross rule tells us that that 1 electron that potassium has to give away will be accepted by 1 iodine. Since it can only take 1, you only need to go together 1 to 1, and we have potassium iodide as Ki.